my god. Hey guys, Elzi here. Today I'm going to be going on an adventure. I have absolutely no idea what's in store for me today. All I know is that I'm going to some Swedish adventure park type of thing, or like adventure like farm. I honestly have no idea. All I'm told is to just get ready and go. So I'm hoping I'm wearing the right clothes, the right shoes. I have a jacket, so hopefully I won't freeze to death because it's kind of cold, like 60 degrees. But this trip is gonna be dangerous. We are going in with no money, and I honestly do not know how we're gonna come out of this alive, honestly. So this could be the last video I make if I ever even finish this. So fingers crossed that everything goes well. Maybe I have some fun, but I'm actually really scared. So let's go see what my friends have in store for me today. Okay, so we just left the house. Now we are en route to catch a train to this mysterious location. I'm very turned around. I don't even know where north is right now. So we just stopped at our train stop, going into the depths of an unknown town and trying to figure out where we're gonna go and what we're gonna do. Okay guys, we're here. I'm about to see the location for the very first time. I'm scared. Okay. Oh my god. We're just here not to buy anything. We're about to go inside. Oh my god. That was the exit, apparently. Yeah. We found the right entrance. So Laura just told me that there is a like daycare playground thing in IKEA, and I'm just like freaking out about this. So naturally we have to go find it now.
I'm gonna drop you off now. You be good to the other kids.
Oh my god, small land.
Go back.
Does shopping in IKEA work?
So in IKEA, you kind of just have to look at like the red part, and then you go to the storage room, and you just go to the numbers.
So you write everything down?
It's so weird, but then you can't return it.
So I can't just go and buy this? Like I have to like write down the number and go get it?
Yeah, like I used to like take the display ones, and then they would tell me that I couldn't return it if I bought the display one.
Oh really? That's how it works?
Yeah.
Damn, that's weird. As we walk through each room, I am feeling dizzy, like you told me. Like I am like feeling physically ill, like going room to room. I'm just like, I don't even know which way is up right now. Oh. Scavalero, is that how you pronounce it? Scavalero, and then you have Alex. Like been in. How do I open this? That's so cool. Oh. Splacting. Look, it's daylight outside.
I really want that.
You could like live forever somewhere with a window like that. Cause like it would never be nighttime.
And you'd never get to rest your winter.
It looks pretty good if you ask me. Here, we're gonna put a trash can, because everybody needs a trash can. Ooh, 2 trash cans. We do that. Designer. Ja, dog. Ooh, for sure. Yeah, this lamp's like a giant head. We'll put it like right in front of this wall. Boom. Okay. Gorgeous. Slam, girl. You betcha. We just wasted our time designing, so now we're like speeding through the rest of the store because it's about to close in like 15 minutes. But look, cute. Just follow the arrows. Follow the arrows. Does this store ever end?
No, it's infinity.
I'm gonna die, aren't I?
Yes.
Oh my god. We made it through. We got it.
That's only the first floor. Or the second, technically.
I know.
Double infinity.
Y'all, we just survived IKEA. I don't know how we did it. Did we see everything now? We did not go to the storage room. That's fine. We didn't need to buy anything anyway. Would it have been interesting? What do you have? Oh, 6 uur. You said half 6.
We were like